Learn English with Titanic movie. Learn prepositions with Rose and Jack. Part 3 of 20. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. The lifeboat was tied blank the ship's side. A. About. B. Near. C. After. Correct answer, near, to show closeness. Water rushed blank the holes in the ship. A. Before. B. Through. C. About. Correct answer, through, to show movement. Rose and Jack talked blank their future together. A. Through. B. About. C. After. Correct answer, about, to show the topic of conversation. Everyone had to get dressed blank dinner. A. After. B. Before. C. Near. Correct answer, before, to show time. The rescue ship arrived blank the Titanic had sunk. A. Before. B. Near. C. After. Correct answer, after, to show time. Like, comment and subscribe.